Hey guys, welcome back. We are doing Unit 4, Lesson 6, phonics. So let's get busy. All right, let me get rid of all these bars and everything. All right, Unit 4, Lesson 6. So our learning targets, I can read, write, and think of words with different vowel spellings, and I can read contraction words. So we have a new list of spelling words this week. These are words that you will be studying at home. This week's spelling words, the R sound, as in sharp, shark, and start. We have the sound, as in fern and verb. We also have the oi sound, like in spoil, spoil. We have the aw sound, as in crawl. And our tricky word is because. Now those are a little harder, so you're going to have to study a little bit harder this week, okay, friends? All right. And there is a letter that's going home with those, so it will have it on there. So our vowel spellings review, we will review some of the vowel spellings that we've learned. When I show the cards, I don't have cards, you're going to say the sound, and then I'll ask someone to give me a word that has that sound in it. Set it, show you on my screen. So the vowel sound there is as in pet. What's another word with the sound? Get. Good. The sound as in pat. What about hat? The I sound as in it, you could say hit. As in red. What about road? As in but. What about cut? E as in bee. E as in knee. Ow as in shout. Ow as in ouch. Ooh as in soon. What about ooh as in moon? As in look. As in book. Oi as in oil. Oi as in boil. Aw as in paw. Aw as in raw. As in her. As in earth. R as in car. R as in hard. I'm going to show you some vowel spelling cards, and I'm going to ask you to tell me the sounds of both spellings, and then I'm going to ask you to give me an example word for each sound. And after I hear the words, I'll show you some examples too. Well, since you can't give me the words, I will do those also. So, and r as in red, and as in verb. Good. A as in hat, and E as in cake. And they come up with pat and cake. R as in car, and aw as in paw. Car and paw. Boy, I must be on the same wavelength here. I as in it, and I as in bite. Oh, I as in it, and I as in bite. Ooh, I'm good. Okay, ow as in shout. As in look. And ooh as in moon. Ow as in shout, ooh as in look, and ooh as in soon. R as in car, as in her. Car and her. Oi as in oil. Ow as in shout. Oil is oil and ow as in shout. As in but. U as in glue. Excuse me, not glue, mule. Mule. But and cute. Good. All right, so let's look at worksheet 6.2. Let me get rid of this bar again. Go to worksheet 6.2. So there's your spelling words. That's going home. 6.2. All right, so you've got 10 words there that you have got to put in the 10 blanks. The words are stars, perk, look, fern, shout, oil, claws, moon, shark, and herd. All right, I am going to do the first 2, and that will leave the other 8 for you. Notice it's this page and over here on this page. And if you notice, the words are on the tops of both pages, so that's very helpful. All right, so let's look at number 1. There is not a blank in this lake. There is not a shark in this lake. Number 2, the car needs blank in it. The car needs oil in it. All right, so number 1, you should have shark, and number 2, you should have oil. All right, good job there. Make sure you finish that up though, okay? All right, so let's go back to our slides. All right, wiggle cards. Perk up. Be stern. Stop. Bark like a dog. Barf, barf, barf. I sound like a sick dog. Drive a car. Arch your back. Oh. Oh. March in one spot. Pat your arm. Lift your arm. Okay. Now, it says we have learned 2 ways to use an apostrophe. One way to use it is as an apostrophe S with the noun. Contractions. This punctuation mark is called an apostrophe. It looks like a comma that is up in the air. The apostrophe S shows that something belongs to Gran. What belongs to Gran here? The snake. So you have also learned that an apostrophe can be used to replace a letter and make a contraction. And we've been talking about that. So, for example, cannot makes can't. Notice in can't, it took off the N and the O. It replaced the N and O with the apostrophe. See that? I cannot sleep. I can't sleep. So here's our contractions. Let us is let's. Here is, here's. It is, it's. He is, he's. She is, she's. Cannot, can't. These contractions, remember, will be in your reader. All right, so let's look at another worksheet here. Let's see here, get my bar gone here. Okay, now 6.1, the take home is your spelling words, okay? That is going home with you. But let's look at 6.3, contractions. Matching up contractions with the words. All right. So make sure you do that also. Match them up, and then you can turn that in too. Here's the other part of it too. You've got 6 words here that go on these lines. You've got can't, let's, here's, she's, it's, and Bert's. So let's look at this. Number 1, blank, sad. She's sad. That would work. Number 2, blank, hot out. It's hot out. Good. All right. I'm going to leave 3, 4, and 5, and 6 for you to do. Okay? I want to see what you can come up with on those. Let's go back to our slide. All right, so our learning targets were I can read, write, and think of words with different vowel spellings, and I can read contraction words. All right, my friends, we are done with this lesson. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you back here tomorrow. Bye, guys.